well. I'm going to introduce from Immedia Power, Matthias Kopinski, COO and co-founder. Welcome.
Hello, everyone. I'm Matthias Kopinski, CEO and co-founder of Immedia Power, and we're going where no one else can go, space-constrained sites. EV fleet hubs, data centers, factories, and ports are all electrifying. But the grid can't keep up, and this is where we come in. What we've built is the perfect solution for space-constrained and power-constrained sites. We have three modes. The engine. We have a direct injection multi-fuel variable RPM engine that is the most efficient on the market, more efficient than diesel or anything else. We put an alternator, which this makes us be able to not only be backup, but add power to the grid. This enables us to add permanent capacity to a customer site. No other solution can do this. And then our software, the third mode. This software orchestrates everything and enables us to talk between the grid, the customer, and the gensets. And this enables us to be able to do predictive maintenance, fleet maintenance, and also give insights to where the customer can expand. So our customers. We're already working with boots on the ground. We sell to EPCs and CPOs who already have the end users in their pipeline. Some of them you can see up here. This makes us be capital light and logistics light, which means we have no risk in that sector. We offer three business models. We have leasing, direct sales, and power as a service. And what we do with this is we can either sell with leasing and power as a service. We can also keep the device after the user has finished their term. We refurbish it and we can redeploy it to another area. This enables us to keep our costs low as well as be able to scale very, very rapidly. Roni, our CEO, has 25 years of experience in the commercial sector. I have about a decade in the energy industry, and Werner, our CTO, has 14 patents behind him. 36 years in the engine development industry. He was the chief engineer behind the Ferrari 458, the McLaren SLR, and the Porsche GT3. And the proof is in the numbers. We have a $60 million LOI pipeline. We have a prototype built, 9 patents pending. Our production facility is already secured. And we have Bosch and BTD, one of the top labs in the world for certifications, as our partners. We're asking for $6 million as a safe to get us to these next milestones. This capital will help us convert our LOIs from purchase orders, have a prototype field trial with the software, as well as also complete the commercial BOM, which will let us get to mass production within 12 months. So we're the team that has built the most efficient engines in the world. We're going where no one else can go. And our product fits on the back of a pickup truck while the competition needs an 18-wheeler. So come join us, build electricity capacity.
So, questions? Questions? Oh.
Hi, thank you very much. Where's the money from the round going to go? What's your next step?
So as I mentioned on the previous slide, we're going to be putting the prototype, finishing out the prototype and putting it out in the field. We have an engine prototype completed. We're going to be finishing up the software, and then our LOIs will be converted to purchase orders. While we're doing this, we're going to be speaking with our suppliers in order to lock in our cost model and profit margins.
So through this round, you expect to finish your R&D and engineering and reach commercial sales?
Yes, by the end of the year.
Thank you.
You can elaborate about the technology?
What aspect of it?
Uh, How it works? What you said, engine with very good efficiency.
Yes, so essentially we have a direct injection multi-fuel engine, so it's fuel agnostic. It can take fuels of today, so natural gas, LPG, or the fuels of tomorrow, so hydrogen or biofuels. And essentially it's a variable RPM. Every other genset on the market is a fixed RPM, 1500 or 1800 rotations per minute. And we go from about 1,000 to 4,000. And this enables us with the alternator, and we can then add power to the site due to the fact that we can ramp up and down based on the customer's usage.
Who are your direct competitors? Maybe other technologies, not necessarily whether. And can
Yeah.
you elaborate on pricing and availability?
Sure. So we have two types of competitors. You could call it the traditional genset manufacturers, which are just only backup, so there's not really that much overlap there. And then in the newer, you could say Mainspring Energy. But the only place where we compete with them is that they are multi-fuel, and so. And so with that, we're 27 times lighter than them and 8 times smaller than them, which means that we can fit in sites where they can't, and our installation costs are extremely lower. In terms of CapEx, we're about the same cost as a diesel generator on the market right now.
Very quick. Okay. Let me give you a mic.
It's okay, I can hear you. So we're working with the under 5 megawatt sites, and the ideal customers are customers that have already existing sites and are wanting to expand. For example, Amazon Logistics Hub, Avis Rental Car Company, a small edge data center company such as Armada that is wanting to deploy portable data centers, which we're in talks with. So there's every single industry that is looking to expand that is under 5 megawatts, we can target, but we're very targeted. We're working with the EPCs and the CPOs. So we're not going all over the place. We're working with the distributors that are already on the ground, and we sell to them, and they prepare the final package.